So you bought yourself a Heatware Heat Press from AM.CO.za with all the great attachments that go along with it, but you're not quite sure how to attach them. Well, here we go. Let's start with the flat heating board. Simply attach it to the heat press unit and you're ready to print. The cup and mug and lock stand is just as simple to attach. Once again, simply plug it into the heat press unit and you're ready to print. Next is the plate print attachment. The plate gets mounted onto the main unit with 2 screws. Remove the screws that hold the flat heating board in place and remove it with a downward and backward action. Now mount the plate and tighten the screws. And then plug it into the heat press unit. Next up is the cap attachment. Remove the silicone and foam from the base mount. At the bottom of the base mount are 4 screws. Remove them and remove the base. Now place the cap attachment base unit into the 2 center screws and tighten. Next, mount the top of the cap attachment to the heat press head and tighten. And then attach it to the heat press unit. Lastly, the shoe press. Mount the 2 brackets provided onto the shoe press body and then flip the unit over to fit it onto the base of the heat press unit and tighten the screws. Now insert the flat press top making sure that it is secured in place, and plug the attachment into the heat press unit. And there you go, you're ready for your next printing project. At AM.CO.za, we sell all the individual attachments separately should you ever need a replacement. Call sales on 060 600 6000 for more information, and for technical support, please call support on 076 666 6655. Thank you for watching.